In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method on MetaQuest Store. Let's start by getting the right app open. On your phone, launch the MetaQuest app. This is the companion app for your headset and the place where your store settings live on mobile. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Meta account that you actually use for purchases on your headset. If you manage more than one profile, double-check the avatar or username at the top so you don't remove a card from the wrong account. A quick tip. Having a stable internet connection helps the wallet options load properly, so connect to Wi-Fi if you can. Once the app is open, head to the main menu. On most phones, you'll find the menu icon as three horizontal lines, usually along the bottom or top corner of the screen. Tap it to expand your account and store options. If you don't see the menu right away, pause for a second to let the app finish loading or try scrolling to reveal additional icons. Keeping your app updated to the latest version can also make these options easier to find. Inside the menu, look for Wallet. Depending on your region, it may appear as Wallet, Payments, or Payment Methods, but Wallet is the most common label. Tap it to open a page showing everything connected to your account, like saved credit or debit cards, PayPal, and any store credits or gift balances. This page is where you'll manage how you pay for apps, games, and in-app purchases on the MetaQuest store. Now find the payment method you want to remove. Next to it, you should see a small three-dot icon. Tap those three dots to reveal more actions, then choose Remove. The app will usually ask you to confirm, and you may be prompted to authenticate using your phone's passcode or biometrics. Approve that prompt to continue. If the card is tied to an active subscription or set as your only default method, you may see a message asking you to switch your default first or add another method before removing this one. Follow the on-screen guidance, then return to the same three-dot menu and confirm Remove again. After removal, wait a moment for the wallet page to refresh. You should no longer see the card or account you selected. If it still appears, pull down to refresh the screen or close and reopen the app. That's it. Your payment method is now removed from the MetaQuest store.